Hello YouTube, it's Craig with CasWorks Woodworking. I'm going to continue working on the live edge slab table. What I've decided to do is I'm going to trim the edges. It's going to have a nice bevel on each end, kind of to match the live edge. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the table back in half again. And actually when I reassemble it, I'm going to leave a 3 to 4 inch gap. The supports underneath will keep it stable, but I just want to have that space between it just for a different feature. I'll round over the edges and so forth. I'm not going to put a river type of thing in it. I'm just going to leave it open space. The TV that we plan on putting on this will span that gap without any difficulty. And we're actually going to have an old military trunk that is going to act as the base. The supports are going to be some black pipe. I think it's going to look really neat. I'm looking forward to getting to it. So thanks for joining me. Since the circular saw tilted at an angle wouldn't go all the way through the wood, instead of trying to match up that angle from the bottom side, I'm going to just make a straight cut to hit that, and it'll kind of give it a little feature there at the end. We'll see how it looks. If I don't like it, I can always try and rasp it down, round it over, sand it, do something else, but I'm going to try it and we'll see how it goes. I rejointed the edges on both pieces, as you can see, to clean up the cut line. However, I had to go a little farther than I would have wanted, because now that these are going to be exposed, the old biscuits, the pieces were still in there, and that just didn't look too attractive. So I jointed it until those were gone. I got the first coat of water-based poly put on. I'm really liking how it's enriching this basswood. I think it's going to look gorgeous. And I have it on the trunk as well. That'll take a little more cleanup because the type of material it is with the paint. But I'll be able to sand around that. Here's the final product. I attached with black pipe the table to the trunk. This is an old military trunk that I got from my father. I did it in such a way that we could still open it up. And I left the two pieces apart, left the gap. It's only 2 inches. TV's going to sit right on top of there and be able to span that. Got the live edge. I matched the angle there. I don't know exactly what angle it is. I just set the saw to match the taper from the live edge. Put 5 coats of water-based poly on it. Degreased all of the pipe so it wasn't a mess. And we can still use the trunk. I'm very happy with the finished product. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Share this with your friends. I appreciate it. Click that like button. Subscribe. Really helps out. Have a great day.